If you're looking to travel light, whether it's for a quick getaway or to save space for souvenirs, I've got some great tips for you. I've been traveling for years without checking a bag, including trips like a week-long road trip in Iceland, a 2-week adventure in Japan, and 18 days through Egypt and Greece, all with just a carry-on and a personal item. Packing light has its challenges, but it's totally doable. I'll walk you through some key strategies, from versatile clothing choices to smart gear that helps you stay organized, making your next trip stress-free and lightweight. 1. Pack versatile, lightweight shoes. First up, shoes. You don't need to pack multiple pairs. Choose something like Reebok Active Light sneakers. They're super lightweight and versatile enough for various outfits, from casual to sporty. If space is tight, wear them on the plane and you've already saved room in your bag. 2. Create a travel capsule wardrobe. A capsule wardrobe is a game changer. Stick to neutral colors and pieces that you can mix and match, like a Uniqlo women's crew neck t-shirt. This makes it easy to create multiple outfits from just a few items, cutting down on what you need to pack. 3. Use compression packing cubes. Compression packing cubes are a lifesaver. Bag-smart compression packing cubes not only keep your things organized but also shrink bulky items like jackets down to make the most of your suitcase space. 4. Weigh your suitcase before you go. Before you hit the airport, make sure your bag doesn't exceed weight limits. A simple travel Inspira digital luggage scale can save you from unexpected fees. Plus, bring it along to keep tabs on your luggage weight as you collect souvenirs. 5. Prepare for laundry. If you're traveling for a while, be ready to do some laundry. A Eagle Creek Clean, Dirty Cube is a great way to separate your dirty clothes, and packing detergent sheets or a laundry bar can make it easy to wash things on the go without lugging around full bottles. 6. Skip full-size toiletries. You don't need to pack your entire bathroom. Opt for travel-sized toiletries or use Matador flat-pack toiletry bottles to save space and weight. Many places sell basics like shampoo and toothpaste, so don't stress about packing everything. 7. Pack double-duty tech. Instead of carrying multiple gadgets, pick tech that can multitask. An Apple iPad Air is perfect for reading, watching movies, and staying connected without needing to bring your laptop, books, and other entertainment separately. By following these tips, you'll be able to travel light without sacrificing comfort or convenience. Give it a try on your next adventure, and you'll see just how easy it is to pack smart and travel happy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with fellow travelers. Safe travels!